everybody, this is Joe from CircleSplash. Today we're going to install our Rainfall shower head. Let's get to it. Included in your box is Teflon tape. Teflon tape makes a watertight seal that will keep your shower head from leaking or spraying. Let's apply it clockwise. That's the direction that we're going to be turning your shower head onto the shower arm. For a stronger shower stream, you might want to consider removing the restrictor. Very easily done with a pair of needle nose pliers. Simple as that. Now we're going to install the Rainfall shower head. It's best to do it just hand tightened. Be sure to click subscribe for more instructional videos as well as promotions. Thanks for watching.